This Trader Joe's Thai lime chili almonds got me in a chokehold for real. This is like my favorite snack right now. This is not my first bag. Maybe I've had like many. It just came from Trader Joe's, so get these almonds when you go, and also get this turmeric twist that has ginger, carrot, orange, lemon, apple juices. This with this. No, but for real, this is so good. I get this instead of the carrot juice because, hello, the spiciness of the ginger is doing what needs to be done for me. So yeah, this is my favorite healthy snack. Okay, you got a crunch and you got a spicy carrot juice, 100% organic, USDA. Look for that when y'all be shopping, because this is what you want. That's the least they could do, is give us that. So yeah,